Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn line and plane chapter number 6 of mathematics paper 1. In this video we are going to start with question number 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक हमने पहले के वीडियो में किया है, जिसका लिंक इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है. सो दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, line and plane. So very interesting topic, line and plane. So थोड़ा रिवाइज करते हैं. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द गिवन पॉइंट whose position vector is a bar and parallel to the vector b bar. So that is given by r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda into b bar. This is vector form of the equation of line. और इसी का कार्टेशियन फॉर्म है x1 y1 z1 is the point through which line is passing. मतलब line is passing through which point? x1 y1 z1, and its direction ratios a b c are the direction ratios of line. Then its equation is given by x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. ये हो रहा है कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, ये होगा वेक्टर फॉर्म. दिस इज द बोथ form of same equation of line, that is one is vector form and another is what? Cartesian form. So दोनों equation किसके? The line which is passing through the given point and parallel to the given vector. अभी ये दो equations है, these are two different form. ये vector form है, ये Cartesian form है. दोनों equation of the same line, that is the line which is passing through two points whose position vectors are a bar and b bar. This line is passing through two points whose position vectors are a bar and b bar. So r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda times b bar minus a bar, that is passing through two points. Or Cartesian form will be this is vector form, this is Cartesian form. Line is passing through the point whose coordinates are x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. So these two forms equation of line passing through the given point and parallel to the given vector, equation of line passing through two points. So बस इसी पे बेस्ड है this exercise 6.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक हमने किया है प्रीवियस वीडियो में. इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. फाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन थ्रू पॉइंट पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट whose position vector is minus I minus j plus 2k and पैरेलल टू द लाइन, दिस लाइन पैरेलल टू द लाइन. तो हमको इसमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है. और लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू विच पॉइंट, मतलब लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट. तो ये है पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ द पॉइंट थ्रू विच लाइन इज पासिंग. और अपनी लाइन पैरेलल टू दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू व्हाट? दिस लाइन. दैट मीन्स और लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस वेक्टर. तो ये बी बार होगा और ये ए बार है. So that you have to identify. Once you identify and you will put in the form, this is a form of equation of line, you will get the answer. तो हमको यहाँ पे क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है? Find equation of line passing through the point whose position vector is this. मतलब ये a bar है and it is parallel to this line. That means this is what? b bar. So here equation of line, see the line is passing through this point, line is passing through which point whose position vector is this a bar. It is equal to minus I minus j and plus 2k, and it is parallel to which point, which vector? It is parallel to, see it is parallel to the vector b bar, and that is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k. Therefore equation of line r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda is parameter, lambda into b bar. So we put the corresponding R bar is equal to A bar. A bar is what? Minus I minus j plus 2k lambda times B bar. So B bar क्या है? 3i plus 2j plus k. So this is what? Equation of line in vector form. So the same equation you can write in Cartesian form also. इसी को हम Cartesian form में लिख सकते हैं x minus x1 that means minus of minus 1 plus 1 upon a. ये 3, 2 and 1 are what? Direction ratios of the line. So x minus of x1 upon a मतलब 3 है is equal to y minus y1 that is 1 upon b, z minus z1 that is z minus 2 upon c 1. तो ये वेक्टर फॉर्म है, ये कार्टेशियन फॉर्म है. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन वेक्टर फॉर्म इज दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड हियर. आर बार इज ए बार प्लस लैम्बडा टाइम्स बी बार. ये कार्टेशियन फॉर्म है, ये वेक्टर फॉर्म है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, फाइंड कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू a -1 to 1 and having DRS direction ratios 2, 3, 1. So we want to find Cartesian form, equation of line in Cartesian form. This is the equation of line in Cartesian form. X minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c, where a, b, c are what? DRS, direction ratios, and x1, y1, z1 is the coordinates of point through which the line is passing, that is a. So we can write in the both form equation of line. R bar, see here, a bar is equal to what? This minus I plus 2j plus k, and DRS means direction ratios are 2, 3, 1. So we can write here b bar is equal to 2i 3j plus k is b bar. So equation of line is what? So equation of line, this will be a vector form which is not asked. Cartesian form is required. R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, that is R bar is equal to a bar plus minus I 2j plus k plus lambda is parameter 2i plus 3j plus k. This is the equation of line in vector form, but we required Cartesian form, so we use this formula. ये formula हमको यूज करना है. x1 y1 z1 क्या है? -1 2 3. ये है x1 y1 z1 और ये abc है DRS. So we use this formula x minus x1 that is minus of -1 plus 1 upon a, that is 2, y minus y1, so y minus y1 that is y minus 2 upon 3, b is 3, z minus z1, so z minus z1 that is 1 upon c, c is what? 1. So this will be the equation of line which is required, that is a Cartesian form. Cartesian form. This is the required equation of line which is in Cartesian form. Question number 7, find equation of line in Cartesian form passing through these 2 points, that is 2-point form हमको use करना है यहाँ पे. What is our 2-point form? Equation of line in 2-point form. X minus x1 x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So यहाँ पे x1 y1 z1 ये है, x2 y2 z2 ये है. So we use this form and we'll find the equation of line. So equation of line is see, if you want to find vector form, अगर vector form find करना है तो r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar, which will be r bar is equal to a bar. A bar is this 2i plus 2j plus k lambda into b bar minus a bar. So b bar minus a bar will be 1 minus 2 minus I plus 3 minus 2j plus minus 1, 0 minus 1, it is minus k. This will be the vector form of equation of line. But we required Cartesian form. तो Cartesian form होगा x minus x1, that is 2 upon x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 2. x2 minus x1, 1 minus 2 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 2, z minus z1, that is 1 upon 0 minus 1. So x minus 2 upon minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 upon 1 is equal to z minus 1 upon minus 1. So this will be the equation of line in Cartesian form. ये वेक्टर फॉर्म और ये कार्टेशियन फॉर्म होगा. Question number 8 is what? A, B and C. These 3 points are given. We find equation of line passing through these 2 points A and B. So equation of line AB हमको find करना है. और दूसरा पार्ट क्या है? We have to show that this A, B, C, these 3 points are collinear. मतलब ये तीनों पॉइंट एक ही लाइन पे है. That means coordinates of C will satisfy the equation of line. ये शो करना है हमको. So what we do? We find equation of line AB, मतलब by using 2 point form. हमको कार्टेशियन फॉर्म चाहिए. So we are using this equation of line passing through 2 points in Cartesian form. Its equation is given by x minus x1, x2 minus x1, y minus y1, y2 minus y1, z minus z1, z2 minus z1. So मान लो ये x1, y1, z1 और ये x2, y2, z2. So you can find equation of line. हम equation of line AB find कर सकते हैं. Cartesian form ये है. So we are using this Cartesian form and equation of line AB is what? By Cartesian form, x minus x1, that is minus of minus 2 upon x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 2 is equal to y minus y1, that is 3 upon 1 minus 3 is equal to z minus 4, 2 minus 4, that is the equation will take this form x plus 2 upon 3, y minus 3 upon minus 2, z minus 4 upon minus 2. This will be the equation of line. अभी हमको शो करना है कि ए बी सी दिस 3 points are collinear. ये 3 points collinear है, ये शो करना है. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ए बी. तो हमको शो करना है कि सी पॉइंट will satisfy the equation of line. So when we take C at point C to show C whose coordinates are 4 minus 1 0 lies on the line. C अगर हम x is equal to 4 लिखते हैं, so what you will get? 4 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 2, that is 6 upon 3 which is 2. y is equal to minus 1 रखते हैं, यहाँ पे y is equal to minus 1 रखते हैं, तो minus 1 minus 3 upon minus 2, that will give us minus 4 divided by minus 2, that is 2, and z is equal to 0 रखते हैं. So if we put z is equal to 0, so it is 0 minus 4 upon minus 2, again it is equal to 2. All are equal. That means this coordinates of C 4 minus 1 0. C has coordinates 4 minus 1 0. It satisfies the equation of line. Therefore, what we say, C point lies on the line. मतलब ये coordinates of C, this point C will lie on the line. That means ABC are collinear points. ABC are collinear points. That means we have shown that first of all we find equation of line AB. This is the first part. Equation of line AB in Cartesian form is this, and then we show that this C point also lies on the line AB. That means coordinates of C will satisfy the equation of line. So therefore C also lie on the line. मतलब A B C तीन point collinear है. These 3 points are collinear. Question number 9. Show that these two lines intersect each other. ये एक line और ये दूसरी line. They are intersecting each other. ये हमको show करना है. And find the coordinates of point of intersection. So these are two equations of lines. We'll show that these two lines are intersecting, and further we'll find what coordinates of the point of intersection. So let this line we write what lambda, and now the equation of line this is equals to say lambda, and each is equals to what say mu. Abhi coordinates of any point on the line is given by this formula. See, this is the equation of line. Lambda is a parameter. Coordinates of any point on this line is given by x1 plus lambda a, y1 plus lambda b, and z1 plus lambda c. This is what coordinates of any point on the line. So हमको first of all will find coordinates of any point on this first line, coordinates of any point on this line. When these two lines are intersecting, that means they have common point. So we'll find coordinates of the point on first line, we'll find coordinates of the point on second line. If these two lines are intersecting, that means they have common point. So first of all we'll see coordinates of point on the line. Point of on the line is what? On the line we'll write coordinates of point on the line -1. इसका अपोजिट साइन, इसका भी अपोजिट साइन, इसका भी अपोजिट साइन लेना है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल गिव -10 लैम्बडा और -3 माइनस लैम्बडा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इसका अपोजिट साइन 4 प्लस लैम्बडा. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑन फर्स्ट लाइन, एनी पॉइंट ऑन द फर्स्ट लाइन, एनी पॉइंट ऑन द सेकेंड लाइन. हियर पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन it is given by, इसका अपोजिट साइन लेना है -10 माइनस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यहाँ पे पैरामीटर है म्यू पैरामीटर. इसका अपोजिट साइन है माइनस एंड -3 म्यू. अपोजिट साइन इज 1 प्लस 4 म्यू. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट ऑन द फर्स्ट लाइन, coordinates of the point on the second line. When these two lines are intersecting, they have common point. So if lines are intersecting, that means -1, ये देखो -1 माइनस 10 लैम्बडा must be equal to क्या है? -10 माइनस म्यू. That is, you are getting the equation 10 lambda minus mu. 10 lambda minus mu is equal to 9. 10 lambda minus mu is equal to 9. This is what the equation we are getting. अभी y coordinate हमको equate करना है, y coordinate of the point equate करना है. So -3 minus lambda is equal to -1 minus 3 mu. That is, we are getting the another equation, lambda minus 3 mu. Lambda minus 3 mu. ये lambda transfer करते lambda minus 3 mu and this one here. So it is equal to what? -2. फिर third, 4 plus lambda. 4 plus lambda is equal to 1 plus 4 mu. That is, the equation will be what? Lambda minus 4 mu. Lambda minus 4 mu. Lambda minus 4 mu is equal to -3. इज इक्वल टू -3। सो ऐसे हमको 3 इक्वेशंस मिल रहे हैं। ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन लैम्बडा एंड म्यू, हम ये 2 इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं एंड विल चेक वेदर इट सेटिस्फाई द थर्ड इक्वेशन और नॉट। सो इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2 और इक्वेशन 3। सो वी विल solve equation 1 and 2. So solving equation 1 and 2, what you will get? So we solve equation 1 and 2. So we solve equation 1 and 2. यहाँ पे हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करके ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। So what you will get? So if we multiply it by 3 and subtract, so 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 10 लैम्बडा, here we multiplied by 3, so 30 लैम्बडा minus 3 mu is equal to 27 lambda minus 3 mu, that is equal to -2. We subtract, so this 3 mu will get cancelled and this is what 29 lambda and this is what 29. That means lambda you are getting, this 29 is getting cancelled, lambda is equal to 1. So what we have done, इसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई किया हमने 3, सो 30 लैम्बडा माइनस 3 म्यू 27 और ये इक्वेशन सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है हमको। सो वी आर गेटिंग 29, हियर आल्सो 29, लैम्बडा इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 1, वी आर गेटिंग लैम्बडा इज इक्वल टू 1. Now similarly we'll find what mu. So therefore we find what mu. So substitute lambda is equal to 1 here in the second equation. यहाँ पे हम 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, -3 mu is -2, so -3 mu is equal to -3, that is mu is also equal to 1 you are getting. तो हमको mu is equal to 1 मिल रहा है और lambda is also equal to 1. अभी थर्ड इक्वेशन वेदर इट सेटिस्फाई और नॉट, दिस लैम्बडा और म्यू की जो वैल्यू आई है, सो वो थर्ड इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करता है या नहीं है वो चेक करना है। व्हाट इज आवर थर्ड इक्वेशन? लैम्बडा -4 म्यू, दिस इज आवर थर्ड इक्वेशन, लैम्बडा -4 म्यू इज इक्वल टू व्हाट -3, इट इज आवर थर्ड इक्वेशन। सो हम लैम्बडा इज इक्वल टू 1 रखते हैं, 1, सो 1 LHS इज व्हाट इज आवर LHS? 1 minus 4 mu, that is equal to -3, which is RHS. Satisfy हो रही है, that means lambda must be equal to 1 and mu must be equal to 1, and these two equations, these two lines are intersecting each other. So therefore it is satisfied by equation 3. So therefore lambda is equal to mu is equal to 1, satisfy equation 3. Therefore the lines intersect each other. Therefore lines intersect each other. अभी हमको coordinates of point of intersection find करना है. So either you put lambda is equal to 1 over here or put mu is equal to 1 over here, you will get the coordinates of point of intersection. So हम lambda is equal to 1 यहाँ पे रखते हैं, this is the point on the line. So put lambda is equal to 1 over here. So therefore point of intersection -1 -10 -3 -1 4 plus 1, यहाँ पे भी 1 रखते हैं तो उतना ही आएगा, -11 आएगा, दिस इज व्हाट -4, यहाँ पे भी -4 आने वाला है, 4 plus 1 5, यहाँ पे भी 4 plus 1 5 है. So therefore we are getting the coordinates of point as -11, -4 and 5. This is what coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines. Question number 10, find equation of line which is passing through this point. Or line is passing through this point. This is the point through which line is passing, 3 -1 2. और ये लाइन परपेंडिकुलर है इस दो लाइन को, whose equation is given, r bar is equal to this a bar plus lambda b bar, r bar is equal to a bar plus mu b bar. सो इन दो लाइन को क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर. सो यू जस्ट इमेजिन दैट दिस इज आवर line which is perpendicular to the line represented by these two equations, perpendicular है. so इन दो लाइन के here direction ratios of the line, first line and the second line. so ये समझो b bar and this is what c bar, this is a b bar and this is what c bar. or line is perpendicular to these two lines, that means it is parallel to this vector b cross c. it is parallel to what, b cross c. so we use formula equation of line passing through given vector a bar and perpendicular to the lines whose, see, position vector is what, b bar and c bar. so b cross, it is perpendicular to these two lines whose DRS are this. so therefore its equation is given by lambda into b cross c, because ये line जो है it is passing through this, or required line is passing through this point A and it is perpendicular to these two lines, that means it is perpendicular to these two vectors. इसका मतलब it is parallel to the cross product of these vectors. so we can use this formula over here, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar plus b bar cross c bar. so here a bar is what, or line is passing through this point 3 minus 1 2, that means this is our a bar. so therefore we'll write here a bar is equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. this is what a bar. and here what is given, b bar is equal to 2i, it is parallel to, it is perpendicular to these two vectors, perpendicular to these two vectors, and it is perpendicular to vectors b bar is equal to 2i minus 2j plus k and c bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 2k. Therefore line is parallel to B cross C, and now we find what B cross C. B cross C is equal to determinant I j k B. B bar is this 2 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 2. We expand it. So what is the expansion? Minus 4 and this is plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2i. Minus 4 plus 2 I. Then 1 minus 4. We expand this determinant, or we'll write what, minus j into 4 minus 1 plus k into minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. That means our B cross C you are getting here minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2i. 1 minus 4 minus 3 j and minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 k. So this is what B cross C, and the equation of line, therefore equation of line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into B cross C. Therefore r bar is equal to a bar. A bar is what? Or a bar is therefore equation of line is what? R bar is equal to a bar. A bar is 3i minus j plus 2k lambda into b cross c, or b cross c is minus 2i minus 3j minus 2k minus 2k. So this will be the equation of line. ये है वेक्टर फॉर्म, इसको हम कार्टेशियन फॉर्म लिख सकते हैं, x माइनस 3 अपॉन माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू वाई माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू z माइनस ऑफ माइनस 2 अपॉन माइनस 2. ये हम प्लस भी कर सकते हैं, चेंजिंग साइन वी कैन चेंज द साइन. ये कार्टेशियन फॉर्म होगा और ये वेक्टर फॉर्म. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द गिवन पॉइंट एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू टू लाइन्स, दैट मीन्स इट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू टू वेक्टर्स b और c. सो दैट मीन्स इट इज पैरेलल टू b क्रॉस c. b क्रॉस c हमने फाइंड किया, ये b क्रॉस c है. एंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन वी कैन पुट इन द फॉर्म r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda times b cross c. So that is the equation of line. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. शो दैट लाइन, दिस लाइन इट पास थ्रू द ओरिजिन. सो वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव टू शो ओनली दैट दिस लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन. मतलब कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ओरिजिन सेटिस्फाई द equation. What are the coordinates of origin? 0 0 0. So we'll check, let's check whether these coordinates satisfy or not. Coordinates of the origin satisfy equation or not. So x is equal to हम 0 रखते हैं. So what you will get if we put x is equals to 0 over here? So 0 minus 2 upon 1. So we are getting here 0 minus 2 upon 1 which is minus 2. यहाँ पे y इज इक्वल टू 0 रखते हैं. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, y इज इक्वल टू 0. सो 0 माइनस 4 अपॉन 2 विच इज अगेन माइनस 2. एंड z इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो विल पुट 0 ओवर हियर. तो z दैट इज 0. 0 प्लस 4 अपॉन माइनस 2 इज अगेन माइनस 2. सो ऑल आर इक्वल. दैट मीन्स coordinates of origin satisfy the equation. Therefore this origin lies on the line or the line is passing through the origin. Okay, so coordinates of origin satisfy the equation of line, that means this line is passing through the origin. So we conclude that the line is passing through the origin. Line is passing through the origin. Hello dear students, in this video we have completed exercise 6.1. Next exercise, that is 6.2, will complete in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. So we have completed exercise 6.1 here. At this moment we'll continue 6.2 in the next video. Thank you.